How to check deleted search history on Instagram. Let's open Instagram app on a device. Now go to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal line icon from the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your activity. Scroll all the way down. Click on Download Your Information button. Tap on Download or Transfer Information button. Select the account that you want the information from. Select the Sum of Your Information option. Scroll to Recent Searches and tap on the Next button. Choose any one option from here. Now select the date range, format, and media quality as per your need. Then tap on Create Files button. It might take some time to download. After it is downloaded, open the file and you will be able to see the deleted search history. And that's it.